Hey, how's it going? Making a quick high-level overview of what AppSheet is and what you can do with it. To start a new AppSheet, you create a new spreadsheet, okay? You can name your project anything you want to. I'm gonna name mine comments from users. These are your fields in the data. You need to create a new column for everything that you want to collect. I want to collect a timestamp, a first name, a last name, a comment, and a photo. Okay, that's all I'm going to be collecting. Now, next step, click extensions, AppSheet, create an app. Here we go. Our app is ready. Okay, customize with AppSheet. We go on the data here and we can see what AppSheet created from our spreadsheet. We have our timestamp with an initial value of now. So this was automatically created because AppSheet knows that a timestamp should be the now. Okay. First name, last name, comment, photo. Okay. Now I'm going to click plus to create a new comment. This is our live app here. We can see it on a phone, on a tablet, and on the desktop. Okay. We can here add first name, click to add a photo, and we hit save. Boom. We have Mark Smith here. That's our first comment. We can go back to comments from users here. If I hit cancel, we can see our comment from Mark Smith. This is Mark's comment. Now, so you fully understand high level what AppSheet does. It collects data. So now we have our timestamp, okay? We have first name, last name. This is Mark's comment. Here's the photo that Mark uploaded, okay? This actually goes to our Google Drive, okay? Wherever you're hosting your AppSheet, that's where your photos will go, okay? To your Google Drive, okay? So, we have our timestamp, our first name, our last name, the comment, and the photo. So everything that got collected in that form is now in our Google Sheet. Okay, so our Google Sheet is going to begin collecting this data from the AppSheet. Okay, so how can we get this to users? To share this app, you click share. Here, you can put the email address of any user that you want to be able to use this app. Okay. You can also copy sharing links. So for example, I'm going to copy the link for my browser app. Okay, so I can send this to people so they can run this app in their browser. So here we go. Here's our app. I can click add. Click save. Okay, now, here we go. James Brown is now in my spreadsheet, right? So this spreadsheet is a live spreadsheet on my Google Drive. It's also collecting data from my AppSheet app, okay? What else can I do with AppSheet? Well, I can install this on a mobile device as an app, okay? So I'm gonna copy this link and I'm gonna send it to myself, to my phone so you can see how it works. Okay, here we go. I got my phone on my desktop here. I'm gonna click this link, this install link that I sent to myself. Here we go. Comments from users, install. We'll also create a shortcut. So on your phone's home screen, you'll also have a shortcut of this app. So your users will have this shortcut and they'll be able to interact with your app and add data to your Google Sheet, right? So boom, install. Add to home screen, add, boom. James Brown, Mark Smith, Patrick Puma, everything that I entered, I can also enter here. But now that we're on our phone, I can click plus, and what's nice here is I can add I can add a photo by taking a photo with my camera on my phone. Okay, so there you go. So now I have this my camera open on my phone, and I can take that picture, and that can become my entry. Okay, so now think about this. You can have your users collecting pictures that you can review later in your dashboard, right? And you can infinitely customize this. Okay, a majority of the template will remain the same, but you can view it in different ways and modify it, and you can do things like send automatic emails for approvals and different things like that. So once again, this is a high-level overview of AppSheet, what you can do with it, how it works. Once again, here's our spreadsheet where everything's been collected. This is live. You can have multiple users interacting. AppSheet is a Google product that a lot of people don't know about, and I think it's worth taking a look. Anyway, thanks for watching, and good luck on your project.